we've got Chipotle Lime Avocado Mayo from Primal Kitchen. Zesty Dill Spears. Sugar-free sauces from G. Hughes. Bunch of these little immunity shots. And some digestion. I got a PB Fit and the chocolate flavored. Some more seasonings. These are Mrs. Dash salt-free seasonings. More Banza pasta. I've got a Dave's Killer Raisin the Roof for when you got a sweet tooth. I've got Birch Bender's Organic Buttermilk Pancake Mix. The Essentials. Spinach. Some baby carrots. Some sugar snap peas. Some blueberries. Some mushrooms. Some tomatoes. Onions. Things for the freezer. Roasted red potatoes and green beans. Got some spicy mango jalapeno chicken sausages. These are new, I just found these. These are Kashi protein waffles. Don't have a review on these, so can't tell you, but I got one of every flavor to try. These are, let's see, 11 fat, 21 carbs, and 13 proteins in 2 waffles. Some frozen vegetables like asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. I got a thing of turkey bacon, and for the weekends we like us some real bacon. And then some frozen egg white patties. A Walmart grocery haul.